Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio and welcome to this new reaction video. I'm gonna react to some Airflare clips sent me by Bboy Kaneki from Italy. He's a very good b-boy, by the way. Oh, and if you want me to help you with your progress, check out my Patreon link in the description, and also if you're interested, check out my merch, also link in the description. First try, looks pretty good actually. His arm throwing is very good. He should kick a little bit more with his legs. Let's see it again. So here he's good actually, but here as you can see, oh, right now I noticed that his arm is bent. I didn't notice by watching it in normal speed, but if I stop the video I can see that his landing arm is bent a little bit. So maybe he should throw a little bit stronger, but the main problem is about the legs. Especially here, as you can see, his left leg is down. He should kick it a little bit more up. Should be in this direction here, like this. Instead is going out and down a little bit. That's why then he falls with his feet on the floor. So here is good. Yeah, his arm is a little bit bent. About the arm is it just needs to push his arm a little bit stronger, nothing much. But his legs, as you can see, are going down. So he should try to land in an air freeze position and kicking the legs up, like this. Up, and not just like that, but up like that. But it's good that he can continue. Oh, here he felt on his elbow because he should push stronger with the arm. Yeah, always the same problem with the legs. The leg should kick up at the moment when he throws. So not at the beginning, not at the start. Here is perfect. Here is still perfect. But here, in this moment, he should start. Maybe here the leg should be a little bit lower. Maybe he should start a little bit lower with the leg and then kicking it up. So like this, low and then up. And not like up and then low. So yeah, here his leg is a little bit too up in the air, and here he's at the same height actually. Instead, the leg should go down and then up. If he's able to kick just a little bit more up, he will be able to continue into a flare or to a windmill in a smoother way, and then at this point he should just practice airflare in combos. So this is the second video where he tries airflares with a different technique. Let's see. Oh, okay, now he's trying vertical airflares. It's a very good training for the control. I recommend also in this case to focus a little bit more on the legs, because in this way it doesn't really look like an airflare, but it looks more like an handstand walk with a little jump. To make it look a little bit more like an airflare, he should just kick his left leg a little bit more down here. As you can see, his left leg is bent backwards. Instead, try to kick it down just a little bit, not so much. Yeah, in this moment the leg should kick a little bit more down, and then do the same as it did, because the rest I think it's pretty good. So here in this moment should kick down a little bit the leg, not too much, because if you kick the leg too down, then it's gonna be hard to maintain like an high angle of the body. But looks pretty good beside that. So I think in both the low airflare and also in the high airflare, he should focus more on the left leg. In both airflares, he should kick a little bit more down at the start and then up when he throws. So down when he starts and up when he throws. The arms movement is pretty cool, so I think he doesn't really need to change anything else beside the left leg. So I think that's it. If he's able to fix this little mistake about the left leg and kicking it more down and then up, I think both of the airflare forms will be much better. I recommend to practice in both ways. If you feel comfortable, practice both the low airflare and also the vertical airflares, but in both cases try to kick the leg down and then up. And also try to do more combos with the Airflares. So that's it for this video. Remember, if you need help for your power moves, check out my Patreon link in the description and check out my merch. And see you next week or this week with a new tutorial. Yo ninjas!